All of them deported there where them have come here in Jamaica. So here we are say all of Jamaican bridging them. This what me I say, we don't know what to do. Remember we don't have no work, you know. You understand me? I remember nothing is in the country if you do because of the farming, them have importer bringing all of the things them in the farming. You understand me? Make a video already and said, yo, we did want to vote for Bolt and make somebody who from the country run the country. Because remember, and the holness is not Jamaican, you understand me? We don't know which part in people them come from. Remember, a lot of people work and forge it. You understand me? So we don't check out Andrew Holness. We don't know which part him come from. He don't have to be Jamaican. Because this man can't be Jamaican behaving like this. Anyway, to the deported, them which part coming at the place, them Jamaican mans. You see what I'm saying? Jamaican woman. You understand me? You know, protect on yourself and protect on your land. You understand me? Know which part the two of them there, take care of them. I'm out.